Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task: how to open your browsing history in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to retrace your steps or find a website you visited in the past, accessing your history is straightforward. Let's go through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. If you're using a computer, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click it to launch the browser. For those on mobile devices, find the Chrome app and tap to open it. Once you have Chrome up and running, look at the top right corner of the window. You will see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is known as the More menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, you need to find and click on History. You might see History listed directly in the drop-down, or you may need to hover over it to see a submenu. Either way, select it, and then click on History again from the next menu that appears. This action will open a new tab displaying all the websites you've visited recently. In this History tab, you can scroll through a chronological list of your browsing activity. Each entry shows the date and time of your visit, making it easy to find specific pages. If you're searching for something particular, there's also a search bar at the top of this page where you can type keywords related to what you're looking for. If you want to manage your history further, such as deleting certain entries or clearing all browsing data, you can do that from this same page. Look for options like Clear Browsing Data, which allows you to choose what information you'd like to delete and for what time range. And there you have it. Opening your browsing history in Google Chrome is quick and easy. Remember, keeping track of your online activity can help improve your browsing experience and make it easier to revisit sites that matter to you. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.